Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are taking a first look at the UniFi latest breakthrough in the access control, the UniFi Access Ultra with a built-in hub for a single door entry. So we will unbox it and set up it for the very first time. Let's get started. So this is the box of the UniFi Access Ultra. As you can see, the box is already open because this came from the custom, so they have already opened it. So what we'll do, we'll unbox. So I have right now opened the box, and you can see once you remove the UniFi Access Ultra, you will see this Access Ultra reader itself. On the back end side, you will see it has a PoE in connection. So this access reader has a built-in hub. As you can see here, the exit request and the lock request, so you don't need required any access hub for it. This is just for a single door entry. As you can see, it will show the LED status here, and this is a tamper proof. So what you get inside in the box, you can see this is for packaging only, and this is for mounting. It gets a different mountings. If you see on the box, it gets a type of mounting like the gang box mounting and everything mounting plate. This is the diagram for it. So here they also give under the box some instructions. You need to follow that. So here are some tools. So let's check the Access Ultra. As you know, the Ubiquiti providing the access hub for I'm not sure about exactly how many doors, but this is a Access Ultra for a single door entry. As you can see, it is powered using PoE in PoE plus, and you can connect the accessories like a door lock, magnetic lock or electric lock, which I have for this setup. So we'll set aside these and check the electric lock for the door access. So as you open the electric lock, you will see this electric lock branding, and you can scan to get started and see what you get inside the box. These are some tools, and here are some instructions for different type of electric lock you want to mount, like A, B, C, D. These are the stickers you have to stick on the door. This lock supports different type of like aluminum, metal and the wooden, so you can use the different type of stickers for your connectivity. As you can see here, type A. So we'll keep this aside and check the lock here. So this is the electric lock. As you can see here, it got two wires, red and the black. So this will connect to the Access Ultra for the request. So right now what I'll do, I will just do a demo test. I don't have it done on the door exactly because I don't have that options at the moment. So what I will do, I will just connect these two wire on the back of the access reader Access Ultra, and then we will set up on the UniFi Access for the very first time and then test it. So you can see this is the lock here. So let's set up it and check. So as you can see on the screen, I have a UniFi Access Ultra. Also here you can see this is the UniFi Access Ultra. So it comes with $129 in the US stores. It is not available yet in the Ubiquiti India store. As you can see, it's a tamper resistant access reader with a built-in hub for a complete single door entry control for the devices. So it's a tamper resistant access reader. So here we can check where is the tamper. So if you see here on the screen, this is the tamper. So if anyone try to tamper this Access Ultra reader from the mount, it will give you a buzzer sound. I will show you in the video once I set up it. And this is the electric lock. This also comes from the US stores.
if you check under the integrations, under the accessories, if you look for the door access and you scroll down here, you get either magnetic lock and the electric lock. So I got the electric lock, which comes under the $79 on the US stores. So it's a fail secure strike lock that connect to the UniFi access, and it can hold up to 1200 kg, like to 1.2 kilograms. So it's almost like 2645 lb, and it can be installed on an aluminium, steel or wooden frame. As I've shown you on the boxing, it got various stickers, so you can install it on the different type of door frames. So if you check under the technical specifications, it support 12 volt DC, and the current power it support 400 milliampere. And the wiring connection, it connect the two screws terminal separately to powered lock relay on the UA hub. So here, this Access Ultra feature you get, you don't need a hub like on the screen. If you check the UniFi Access Ultra hub, which comes with the reader, access reader, card, everything, NFC card. So this is just a single door Access Ultra, and it is powered using PoE plus. So I can power it with the UniFi switches. And here is the reset button. If you see on the top, here is the reset button. You can reset and you can power. So if you see here under the wiring, it says exit request. Let me focus the camera on that. So you can see here it says exit request and the lock. So I have to do the wiring for my electric lock, and then I can set up. So right now I'm running the UniFi controller on the Cloud Key Gen 2 Plus. If I go to the UniFi site manager, and right now I have to access the UCK G2 Plus. So here, so right now the UniFi.ui.com dashboard has also been changed. So if you go to the site manager, previously it says the OS settings, but right now the name has been changed to the control plane, where you can see all the applications which you are running on the UniFi OS. Like right now you can see the UCK G2 Plus is running on the early access version of 4.0.12, and auto update has been on. You can see the application which I'm using currently. It's a UniFi Network, UniFi Protect, Inner Space, and the access I have to install. So I will click install, and right now it is installing. After that, I will be accessing the UniFi access, and then I will connect the access reader UniFi Access Ultra to the PoE switch, and then I will connect it with the electric lock, and then we will see the locking process, and how you can use the door lock and everything once I set up the Access Ultra. So it is installing at the moment. Once it is installed, I will connect the UniFi access reader, and I will connect the electric lock, and then I will show you the demo how you can use the UniFi Access Ultra. So I have installed and start the UniFi access, and here you can see for the demo connection what I did. I have connected the UniFi access with the PoE switch at the PoE, and on the back you will see on the terminal, you see I have connected on the locks. I have run down two wires. One the red one is a plus and the black one is minus. So I have connected on the lock, the electric lock, as you can see here for the demo purpose. Also you will see the LED status of the Access Ultra. You can see right now it is steady white, which means it is not adopted. So I will go ahead and to the dashboard and see the devices shows up or not. So I will go to the devices. As you can see, UA Ultra 7D05, the MAC address last 4 digit, and I will click to adopt. So as you can see the LED status, right now the LED changed to blue and it is adopted. So I will click, I will update it later on, but here I can check the lock works or not. As you can see here, just close this. When you click on the overview, it says click to unlock. So I will click to unlock. As you can see the beep, and you can see it is locked, the access. It's again locked. You can see I cannot press it. The door is locked. So here, if I click to unlock, you will see the sound of the beep, and the electric lock will be unlocked. So you can see it is unlocked. So right now you can set the terminal manager also here. Right now, exit request and the trigger level you can set. Close active no, close active NC. So you can just set up. Right now I will set up as it is only. Also I have choose the tampering alert. As I've shown you here on the back, you will see this is the tamper button. See, I press the button, it gives me the beep sound, the tampering alert. So this is how the tampering works. So yeah, I will fix that tampering sound. So here you can see I'm connected to the cameras also, and you can see the door activities and unlock activities here. Under the insights you can see it is unlocked by me, and under the settings you can use the NFC card and check the mobile unlock method also. So I will try to check, and here you can locate it. Okay, now I've used options, so you can check the mobile unlock app. So please enable smart door access in the OS settings, admin user identity setting, and select. So I will show you these steps for using the mobile unlock with the UniFi identity. So right now here you can give the name also, and under here you can set up. So on the dashboard you can check, you can upload the thumbnail and everything from here. If you go to the settings, you will see the security. Right now emergency mode is turned off. You can choose a lockdown, evacuation. Even you want to allow third-party NFC card, you can use that. And if you want to choose the pin digit, and this is something for the access reader. Here you can set the policies and schedules. Here is a card inventory. You can add an NFC card or you can buy UA cards, but is with the Access Ultra, you can use with the one tap UniFi Identity App. Even you can use the NFC cards. Here you can allow the admins to access for the Access Ultra. So this is how you can set up the Access Ultra reader for a single door. As you can see, it has a built-in hub, so you can use it for your door lock. So right now I'm using the electric lock. Even you can use the magnetic lock, and you can use the push button. So here I can check it again, click to unlock. So you can see it is giving. So right now it's unlocked. And if you go to the settings, you can just click here, and if you click on locate, you can see the sound. The device you want to locate is emitting a sound, and it is showing this. So this is the status, sound, and everything you can set up on the Access Ultra. So it got some so as I've shown you in the unboxing, this all thing you get the wall mount, gang box mount, you can see with the UniFi Access Ultra. And this is the leveling. If you're mounting on the wall, you can set the level. And this tool you get this tool. So this you have to mount on a wall, and you have to place the Access Ultra here, and you can set up it accordingly. So you get all these type of accessories inside the box, so you can use with your UniFi Access Ultra. And as I've shown you the demo how you can unlock, so after that I will show you how you can set up with the UniFi identity, so you can unlock the door or lock the door with the one tap of your mobile. You can set up here, but for that you need to enable the identity and services like mobile unlock. I will show you later on this. So I'm updating the UniFi Ultra Access. As you can see, the LED is blinking blue and white. And to set up the UniFi identity, what you need to do, go to the OS settings, click on admin and users, and click on identity settings. As you can see, the site logo, you can change the logo, you can give the site name. Here I've used the services as a full phone control door access. It was disabled, I have enabled it. And here it will send auto invitation to user. Even you can, if you have EV charging talks of phone, you can use that. And here it says upgrade to UniFi Identity Enterprises. I will put down a full video on how to set up a UniFi identity free in your UniFi OS consoles. For to upgrade a UniFi identity, you have to pay some charges for that. So we'll not check for the UniFi Identity Enterprise. Right now you see it is upgrading. So once it is upgraded, I will hop on the UniFi Identity app on my iPhone, and then I can show you tap to unlock the door using UniFi Identity app.
There is a lock button. If I click on lock button, it will open the door and you will hear the sounds, and you can even lock the door from here. See, this is how you can use the UniFi Identity app to unlock the door. If you just click on the office door here, you can see I'm connected near to the door, and the distance between the office door and this iPhone, it's just 0.4 meter. So this is how you can unlock the door using your UniFi identity.
So you have seen that I have set up the UniFi Access Ultra and the electric lock demo, and how you can adopt it on the UniFi Access, and how you can set up the UniFi electric lock. So this was just a demo. I have not put it on the door. Once I have that door available, I will set up this electric lock on the door, and then I can install the Access Ultra on a wall, and then I will show you the full setup. Also, you have seen that I have shown you how you can open the door with the one click door access using UniFi Identity app. I hope this video will let you know how you can access the UniFi Access Ultra, and how you can adopt it on the UniFi Access, and how you can use it on your office network environment. So make sure this is a single door entry access with a built-in hub. You don't need to purchase a UniFi Access hub where you can use multiple doors, but this is very useful for small offices where you can put the UniFi Access Ultra on each door, and you can access it using your UniFi Access app, and you can even unlock a door, lock a door using one-click UniFi Identity app. So I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, make sure to comment down your thoughts, and thanks for watching. Bye.